Hello everyone. So we were discussing about attitude. In first part we have seen what is meant by attitude, what is the role of attitude in our life, what is the importance of attitude in your successful career, and what are the types of attitude. So we have seen that the types of attitude are affective attitude, cognitive attitude, and cognitive attitude. We have seen that in affective attitude, the emotional or feeling segment of in attitude is covered. In cognitive attitude, an intention to behave in a certain way towards someone or something. Because it happens sometimes that we act in such a manner with a prejudiced mind with anybody or against anybody. So this gets covered in the cognitive attitude segment. Third one is a cognitive attitude, the opinion or belief segment of an attitude. So what is positive attitude? If you look the right way, you can see that the whole world is a garden. A positive attitude may not solve all your problems, but it will annoy enough people make a worth effort. So let us see the advantage of positive attitude. The people who are having positive attitude are optimistic in nature, and they easily achieve their goals, whatever they have decided in life. Positive thinking can even give your immune system to boost. So, positive attitude work as a booster for any XYZ to work towards his goal. He easily develop friendship and relationship with the people to whom who or she is interact with the society. So when your views are optimistic, you are having positive attitude towards society, you will easily get mixed up with them. Positive attitude can make your life more manageable and fulfilling. Now this is a very important point. If you are having a positive attitude, you can easily manage your problems or hurdles whichever you face in the life. On the contrary, we must see the disadvantages of negative attitude. So the people who are having negative attitude towards life or towards work are always unwilling to change. You may have undergone such type of people in the society, in the life, wherever you works. They always resist any sort of change. They always resist. This is a symptom of people having negative attitude. These people only think for themselves and forces their opinions on the others. These people always blames others for their own mistakes and always find excuses for the mistakes done by them. They are not sportive in nature. They rarely smiles. And whenever they talk with the people, they never maintain eye contact. They never look in the eyes of the other people. And these people are in lacking confidence. So these are the things which comes under the disadvantages of a negative attitude. Attitude is a very simple thing. Attitude is a very simple thing, but it makes a big difference in life. It makes a big difference in life. A positive, negative, or mixed reaction to a person, to a object or idea expressed at some level of intensity, love, like, dislike, etc., comes under this positive attitude. So attitudes are pervasive, deliberately. It can be changed from moment to moment also. So there are few things which may truly feel natural. Something are inbuilt naturally in the personality of any XYZ. So we will see that why people are having attitudes, why people are showing attitudes. The reasons behind it are that they want to express who they are. They want to express to society who they are. Ego is a defensive function. Ego is their defensive function. They protect their self-esteem. And some stupid functions are that they obtain awards, avoid punishment, and they are having some sort of knowledge which brings that sort of feelings in their mind. They are separate from others. So from where this attitude comes? Does it come from genes or social experiences? General attitude and specific behavior. Some people are having sort of attitude at one moment and sort of attitude at another moment. One cannot predict their response in certain situations. So, how the personality of a person is having positive attitude will be reflected that he is always winner in his life. So whenever he wins in the life, he know that because of his positive approach to life, positive attitude in his work, he has won the race. And the loser is always a part of a problem. The winner is always having a program in his mind. And on the contrary, the losers are always having excuses with them. The winner says, let me do it for you. The winner says, let me do it for you. The loser says, no, it's not my job. The winner sees an answer for every problem. The winner sees an opportunity in every problem. The loser sees a problem in every answer. He tries to find excuses and problems in the answers. The winner says it may be difficult, but by efforts it is possible. Suppose any task is given to you people, the person with positive attitude will say that, yeah, it is difficult, but it is possible that we will do it or we may do it. But the loser says, it may be possible, but it is very difficult to achieve. It cannot be done. So, attitude makes all the difference between a winner and a loser. How you see towards that problem, it makes a lot of difference that how you approach it to get solved. Every interaction of a person with another reflects his attitude, how a person reacts in good or bad situation, when the things are going his way and when they don't. Now see, in life it will never happen that every time each and everything will be go as per your desire.